Hello friends, welcome back. In this video we are going to learn about the conditional rendering. In React we need conditional rendering in such a cases where we want to display some data based on some conditions. For example, in this greeting component we have is logged in condition, and if it's true then it will display message welcome back, and if it's false then it will display please sign up, which is based on this logged in condition. Similar to this one, there can be other scenarios as well, like when we can click on some button then it should display that data, or any type of the scenarios. The bottom line is we have to render something based on the condition. If that condition is true then display first element, and if condition is false then display another element. The other conditions we can have in our applications are display messages. Like in this example we have one mailbox component, and display messages if there is some data available. Let's understand this one. We have placed it here. We are assuming this messages as of now 0, empty array. So now if we have no data inside this array then it will display just hello there. If we have some data available inside this then it will display the messages. You have one unread messages. There can be n numbers of conditions. That's it for this video, and thanks for watching.